We guide you through how to add your Payoneer account in Fiverr. First, log into your Fiverr account and go to your profile icon on the top right, then click on Earnings or Payout Methods, depending on your dashboard version. Next, select Add Payoneer Method and choose Payoneer from the list of available options. If you already have a Payoneer account, simply log in and connect it to Fiverr by authorizing the link. If you don't have one yet, Fiverr will redirect you to create a Payoneer account first. Just follow the registration steps and complete your details. After that, return to Fiverr and confirm the connection. Make sure your Payoneer account email matches or is properly verified to avoid errors. Once connected, set Payoneer as your default withdrawal method so your earnings will automatically go there. And finally, test your setup by checking if the payout method shows as active.